When we think about plants, a wide variety of the traits or characteristics they have may come to mind. For example, how tall a tree is, the shape of its leaves, what sort of fruit it produces, or what chemicals or nutrients are present in it, and at what levels in different areas of the plant. Now let's zoom in on the traits of leaves specifically, and talk about something called the leaf economic spectrum. Plants are continuously producing, consuming, and investing their energy in mineral nutrients, the same way humans make investments in goods and services, hence the term economics. The leaf economic spectrum is a theory that connects the traits of leaves to the strategies plants use to acquire and store resources over time, otherwise known as the investment statement. It is important to note that individuals of the same species can express traits differently. This is something known as intraspecific trait variation. When we combine these two concepts, intraspecific trait variation and leaf economics, we can start to draw conclusions on how species might be expressing traits differently in responses to their environment. In northern latitudes, for example in the North American boreal forests, rapid climate change is afoot, increasing temperatures and altering patterns of precipitation. So how might boreal tree species be responding to this change? And how resilient might they be as climate change continues? Thankfully, we can begin to answer some of these questions because many of the boreal species, such as spruces, jack pine, aspen, and paper birch, among others, have large geographic ranges in which they grow, which spread over wide gradients of both temperature and precipitation. Looking through the lens of the leaf economics, we can observe intraspecific variation of leaf traits in these species across their growing range, to see, for example, how an individual growing at the warmest end of the range might be investing its resources differently than another individual at the coldest end. Observing the differences in leaf traits can help us see how these tree species are changing in response to aspects of their environment, such as temperature or precipitation. And in regards to climate change, what investments or trade-offs are being made which allow those individuals to persist.